Ang lugar na ito, maraming mga sikreto.
First time namin mapanood, nakakatakot talaga siya. Ang daming jump scare. And hindi namin na-expect yung ending.
Yeah, it was a really a roller coaster of emotions for us.
Nakakatakot, grabe. Intense talaga siya. And also, I like the fact na unpredictable. Like, there are times na akala ko na-predict ko, pero hindi pala. And I can say, this movie deserves global recognition. Like, for real. Ang ganda talaga niya, sobra.
Sobra, the whole time, nakatakip lang yung tenga ko, tsaka nakahalos takpang ko na yung mata ko. Actually, ganun na nga ako eh. Di ko kaya, sobrang nakakatakot. Daming surprises, ang daming twist.
Takbo na! Titit ka!
Wala, grabe yung sigaw ko, tapos na gano'n ako lagi. Grabe yung mga jump scare, yung takot niya talaga. Yung story talaga yung parang dahan-dahan, ang galing ng cast, grabe. Si Heaven, si Nicole, si Miss Yula, lahat sila sobrang galing.
I still feel overwhelmed. That was so good. Like, I haven't seen a horror movie in this long that made me really want to get up out of my seat. I would recommend this movie to all of my friends and family and to anyone. It was such an amazing job. Good job to Direk and the whole team.
Paulit-ulit ko siya napapanood at paulit-ulit ko siya napapanaginipan, kaya hirap. Lilim is about to come out in all cinemas. Hopefully you guys get to watch it and bring your friends. It's a really good movie for you to watch with your friends.
Magaling talaga si Direk Mick. Alam niyo yun, lahat ng cast, lahat ng staff, talagang lahat ng crew, pinaghirapan po namin lahat to at para makapagbigay sa inyo ng bagong take ng horror. At ayun po, sana po mapanood po ninyo.